Cinnamon Roll Latte Recipe Fenbi Bakery Style at Home. Hey sweet friends, welcome back to the channel, Fenbi. Today we're making a drink that tastes like a warm bakery treat in a cup cinnamon roll latte. It's sweet, creamy, perfectly spiced, and gives you that cozy cinnamon roll flavor without turning on the oven. If you love cinnamon, vanilla, and that soft brown sugar warmth, this latte is about to become your new favorite. Let's make it. Ingredients: 1-2 shots espresso or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, 3/4 cup milk whole, oat almond, or your favorite 1 tablespoon brown sugar or cinnamon dulce syrup, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla, extract 1 tablespoon heavy cream or half and half optional, for richness optional. Topping: whipped cream, cinnamon, caramel drizzle. Directions: start by brewing your espresso or strong coffee, and set it aside. In a small saucepan over low heat, warm the milk with brown sugar and cinnamon. Whisk constantly until the sugar dissolves and the milk is steaming. Don't let it boil. Stir in the vanilla extract and heavy cream if you want it extra creamy. Froth the milk using a handheld frother whisk, or by shaking it in a sealed jar for about 20 seconds. Pour your espresso into a mug, then slowly add the cinnamon milk mixture. Spoon the foam on top and finish with whipped cream, a dusting of cinnamon, or a drizzle of caramel for that true cinnamon roll vibe. And that's it, sweet friends, your cinnamon roll latte is ready to enjoy. It's warm, cozy, and tastes like a cinnamon roll fresh from the oven, but in latte form. Perfect for chilly mornings, holiday vibes, or anytime you want a comforting coffee treat. If you make it, tell me in the comments how you topped yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next recipe.